You searched how to buy shares of Inhibikase Therapeutics Inc., and I will walk you through the main steps. Inhibikase Therapeutics Inc. is a clinical stage biotech listed on NASDAQ under the ticker IKT, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After creating an account, you will normally be asked to verify your identity with an ID and to add funds before you can place trades. Use the platform search box and type the ticker IKT to locate the company listing. Select the result that clearly matches Inhibikase Therapeutics Inc. On the asset page, review the basic company profile and the price chart to confirm you are on the correct listing. Make sure the page shows NASDAQ and the ticker IKT. To place an order, tap Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it opens. And if there are not enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade can be confirmed. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. For convenience, the eToro link is available in the video description if you want to visit the platform.